Have you ever seen a building that looks like it could fly? I present to you the Milwaukee Art Museum. Finished in 2001, this museum is designed by architect Santiago Calatrava and features a stunning design with large wing-like structures called the brise soleil. These wings open and close depending on the time of the day, giving the building a unique, moving appearance. A fun fact about this structure is that its wingspan is as long as a Boeing 747 airplane. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.